All right, so I got a question on how to create content. So I think one of my followers on YouTube, and I promised to make a video to illustrate or teach us how to create content. Now, the first thing you will need to know is that you must know your niche. So now, once you know your niche or your area of specialty, and you must be well grounded in it, and you will have the zeal to teach, because the first motive of content creation is zeal of teaching. Now, though the tail end is to get monetized and start making a living out of it, but don't have the monetary mindset first when you want to start your YouTube or any platform content creation. Now, once you have known that you are good in this particular area, for example, I am good in male fashion designing, and I had or I have the passion to teach and to impact young fashion designers to follow to learn fashion designing. So I opened a YouTube channel, and that is how I became a content creator. Right now, the first thing you will also know, the next thing you also know is that you will get the necessary tools that you might be needing, right? And the tools you will need must be in line with your field of work, right? And the extra tools you will need might be your ring light, just the one I'm using to make this video. I have a ring light placed on my front so that my phone is clipped on the ring light, to cut out any shadow on my face. Then you will need a mic. Now, I have made a review of this mic, I think earlier this year, right? And this mic is one of the best mics you can get for your content creation. It's a two lapel mic, and I have taken one and the plug which I'm using to make this video. So just try and get something similar like this, a mic, right? I bought it for I think 30K or thereabout. Then once you have gotten your mic, you must have your tripod stand. You must have a very good tripod stand. So this is a tripod stand I have. I have been using this for like up to 3 years now, or 2 years plus now. I had series of it before, but I got this. I think let's look at the brand here. So this is the tripod stand I got, right? So I bought it for then, I think 17,000 or 18, 19,000 thereabout, but now it's up to 30 or 25,000 naira, depending on your source. Now, once you have gotten your ring light, your mic, your tripod stand, of course, your tools for your teaching, like your scissors, those ones are necessary now. You must use them, your tape, your fabric, and then you get a standard table. I will show you my table I am using in my illustration. So here is my table, right? And then once you have placed your fabric, or once you are starting, you are going to tell your students or your viewers what you are making. Are you making a male outfit or a female outfit? If you're making a male outfit, which type? Is it a shirt, a trouser, a short, or anything whatsoever? Right? You have to do proper introduction of what you are making, and then tell them in details where you are starting from. And the starting should start from the measurement section, where to measure, how you are going to measure it, how to divide, those silent areas, you have to explain to them in a layman's language. Don't use ambiguous languages or words to explain to your viewers, right? And then once you have done this, and of course, if there's any need to get a board, if you want to write on the board, in some cases, you have to get a board. And of course, get a brand name and tag on your wall. But this brand name is optional, right? You can decide to use your phone editing to include your name on your videos if you don't have the money to get those brand name. And then you get a good iron, like get series of iron. I have steam iron, I have a dry cell iron, so that when you are working, you have enough and adequate tools, so your viewers will know how important those tools might be or are. And that's all you need to do. You start to explain in detail. So the first video you will do on your channel might be the introduction of yourself. My name is So Person. I am the CEO of So Brand. on this channel, we are going to be dealing on social stuffs. I will bring in videos for you every Wednesdays, Thursdays, or every day. You state the number of days you'll be willing to create content for them, and also urge them to like the video, share, and plead for them not to forget to subscribe, because people do always watch videos and they forget to subscribe, right? So once you have made that first intro video of yourself and your brand, you upload it on YouTube or on the platform you have chosen to start your content creation on. Now, the next video you will do will be the introduction of your niche. Like if you're a fashion designer, you start to tell them some stories about fashion designing, how you came into place, how it has been helpful to you. Tell them good things about fashion designing or any niche you have chosen to use as a content creation. And then after that, you now start to introduce the main subject proper. For example, you want to make a shirt, right? Before you make a shirt for a customer, of course, you need to take the measurement of the person. So you teach them how to measure a full adult male or female, if you're making a female outfit, and then tell them where to measure, how to measure them for a perfect and accurate measurement. After which, you now teach them how to draft, that's to mark on the fabric. So also go in details to teach them those core areas that they need to pay attention to. For example, the crotch, the neckline, and the armhole. Now, all of these areas I have explained to you are the areas I think that are essential in my own field. So you will bring in your own field in your own context, right? So, and then try to make your videos to be in kind of episodes or in parts by parts, meaning make the cutting as one video, make the preparation and the sewing as second video. That's 2 videos per outfit. For example, you're making how to make a shirt, you have to make the cutting of this whole shirt as one video, and then make the sewing as another video. That's 2 videos for this particular shirt. Don't make the videos to be too long so that they don't get boring. The range of minutes that is required or that is ideal for YouTube video production is 8 minutes. 8 minutes is ideal for easier viewing and faster watch hour reach, right? So YouTube recommends 8 minutes video for a minimum. Though in some cases, there are some videos that you might want to do and it will be inevitable to stop at 8 minutes. You must get to 10 to 20 minutes and above, but make sure that you kind of group your videos, right? So now, once you have decided, known how to start your content creation, boom, you pick it off, right? And bear in mind that there's no perfect video. The videos you are going to be making might not be perfect at the beginning. Those errors that you'll be making will be corrected subsequently as you keep on being consistent, right? So don't expect your videos to be massive, to be perfect, to have great views. First times it might be low views and low turnout, but don't give up, right? Just keep posting. Those that need your knowledge or those that need your niche will find their way to your channel. And also make sure that you must do proper title and description of your videos. When I first started YouTube content creation on YouTube, I did not know that the title video, it was like I just upload videos without title, no description. I feel people will go on channels, start clicking, I didn't know that they can search on YouTube, right? So I was just uploading them on my channel until after like a year or thereabouts, before I got to understand that they do title videos and write descriptions. So those mistakes I did then, was not really favorable to me. So I won't like any of my followers or fans to repeat such mistakes. So make sure that you title appropriately. Then how do you title? For example, you are talking about how to make a cap, for example. Make sure you use keywords that are in this cap making, right? So you can say how to make a perfect male face cap. if you understand, face cap is the major keyword of this cap I'm wearing, right? Because it's a face cap. Then a man's cap, that's um another strong word on the description of the video, right? So when you say a perfect male cap, so people who might want to search this video must use either of these keywords. And once they search it, the YouTube search engine will now recommend your videos as part of the suggested videos. And if you're lucky enough that your videos will get the more clicks, and then your views will start, coming in as fast as possible. So also use hashtags and stuff like this. So I don't know, this video is just to encourage you to start. Then possibly, if most of us who might watch this video at any point in time, if you still feel you need me to talk more on the title, description, hashtags, and then the best way to upload, comment in this video so I will know that you are really following this particular video I'm making. So drop your comments if you want me to show you guys how to do title, description, hashtags, and tell you the best app to use to upload your videos. That it's not that will give you more room for possible reach. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. My name remains Mr. Redefined. See you guys on the next one. Bye bye for now.